Oh, hey YouTube, how the heck you doing? I hope you're doing good. I am doing great myself. Got the little VR going here because we're going to enter a new reality, new world VR. Some of you probably are already doing it, but today we're going to try out this little battery pack by Annapro and just see how it's going. So let's get started. So like I said, I'm a little late to the VR reality world, so let me see what I've been missing. I didn't jump on the Oculus, I didn't jump on Quest 2, but I did go ahead and get me the Quest 3. So I've been messing around with it a little bit, and I just wanted to get something that would kind of elevate the experience a little, because it is a great headset and everything. I find it's a little hard to get adjusted and everything, so we're gonna get this Annapro battery pack so I can do it longer and play longer and watch longer and just see what we can do with it. I think that's all that's in here. So we got the little pamphlet, shows you how to set it up. Hopefully it can't be too bad, but let's go ahead and open up a few things here. We'll get it tested out. So this is the battery pack. I believe it's a 10,000 milliamps, and it charges just by USB-C right on the side here. Looks like it's got a full charge and everything going on there. So I'll put that to the side. Put this to the side. I've been wanting to try VR for a while, and like I said, I haven't jumped in. And the way that Apple's done it with theirs, it was just too crazy, too expensive to jump into that world at this time. So I thought I would try this little guy here. It's got the input for battery backup. It's got the clip to keep everything secure here. So let's go ahead, see what we can do on this. The battery just snaps on back here, just like that. Gives you a blue light that it's connected. I've seen a few videos, so hopefully I can do the same. And the great thing about this, the adjustment wheel is back here, so you can still do some adjustment even though the battery's on, but we'll take that off for now. And get it going for my big head. And obviously I won't be doing the hat, but let's go ahead and get our VR set up. Supposedly these just clip right off. Like that, and that, and then I will do that guy, get him out of there. Come on. Velcro doesn't help when it's trying to connect again. There we go. So we got him out of there, and then these basically just slide right onto here. Get them all lined up on one side, on two sides, and I believe it should click in. It clicks up farther up here, so are we all the way there, guys? And snug on that side. There's a little stopper on the inside here that lets you know when you're all snug. So let's go ahead, try this guy on. Obviously way too big, so I'm going smaller, smaller, smaller. Get it positioned to the back of my head. Now this one, you can tilt up and out of the way. Let me go ahead and extend the cable here. Put it in for backup. So we're all snapped in there. Got that going. Let's go ahead and turn this on, see how we get some power. I can see my hands now. There we go. Now we're back. I got pass-through going on right now, so I got a few screens that I gotta close out. Go ahead. And bring this down here. Horizon feed. So it's feeling pretty good, guys. I mean, definitely with the other one, I did feel a lot of pressure from the rubber strap and everything. It's got a nice padding on the back. I can see fairly well. It needs to be a little tighter on the back here. Let's see what we can do here. To sync that up some more. There, that's much better. Yeah, I can feel a little pressure here, but not as bad as I was before, so I think I'm gonna like this guy. Let's see, currently snap that in. Made a little doo-doo noise in the background there. I think I'm gonna like this much better to see and evaluate stuff. Pass-through, it's pretty good at the pass-through that I see on this guy, the Quest 3. I don't know if I can do this or not. Probably not. That's fine. So pass-through is very good on this guy. I can see really well. It's a little, like the camera that I'm using right now is the iPhone, and it's kind of doing like a warp thing. But as I move in, it seems to do fine otherwise that way. My head's not shaking too well. Maybe a little adjustment there. Let me see if I can get tighter. There we go. I had to do a little seal on the top here. Yeah, so much better. I mean, like I said, this battery gives me 10,000 milliamps on it. Hopefully it's gonna hold up. It doesn't seem to be a certain way you gotta do it, although there are LED lights on the bottom, so I'll keep that on the bottom there. Just pop it in there. Shows that I'm charging on my battery. Let's see, open it up, see what it shows. My microphone is off, but that's okay. Let's see. Battery 94% and showing it's charging. Headset charging at 94%. Let's close that. Close. There we go. So it's pretty cool, guys. I mean, this is a nice headset. Very easy to pop together. There's nothing you can really do that could do any damage to it. I didn't even have to look at the directions. It was pretty straightforward as far as what it's going to do and how it's going to do. Contents of the package. So you got the headset, you got the bracket, battery, instruction manual. Very basic. I'll leave a link down below. It's an Amazon purchase. I don't get anything off it. I'll leave a link down below. I like to share the tech that I bring to you guys as best I can. So let me know what you think below, guys. Should I do more VR stuff? Should I do more product reviews for the VR, the Quest 3? I've been playing with it fairly well. I mean, this is really nice. The strap, the elastic, not elastic, but the, I don't know, kind of elastic strap, I guess you call it, was kind of irritating to wear, but this is very, very comfortable. I can easily do this a couple hours or so. The other one, I couldn't do it as well because it would put too much face pressure on here. Where this, I can move it around and I still get good vision, good pass through. And so we're just gonna go with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and play a game, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day. See ya.